shit. I've never seen this before. The bottom of the tank is filled. Damn elements about to, the thermostat's about to come off. Wow. Oh, spring. So it's actually coming out of the heating element. So probably be wise to replace it, the whole thing, but if possible, you could just replace that heating element. It just depends on how long it's been rusting out like this. And the other plumbing it's about ready to start pinholing. Got a good little, already rubbed some of this off. A little pinhole about to start there. There. Real bad right there. Everything else looks alright. Just this spot right here is gonna be